morning to all of you. I am your Kinjal ma'am from Market and Drama Space, and today we are going to learn a very important topic, and the topic is safety awareness. So first of all, tell me that do you have any idea that what is safety? I will tell you. Safety means the steps that we have to take to save ourselves, right? और कौन कौन से स्टेप्स आते हैं उसमें? फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज यू शुड ऑलवेज लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स, योर एल्डर्स, राइट? सेकेंड पॉइंट इज इफ यू आर अलोन इन द हाउस एंड समवन नॉक द डोर, यू शुड नॉट ओपन द डोर. ओके, अगर आप अकेले हो तो मम्मा पापा कीज लेके ही गए होंगे, और मम्मा पापा होंगे तो वो लोग लॉक खोल के अंदर आ जाएंगे एंड आपको डोर नहीं खोलना है. ओके, थर्ड एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट फॉर यू एंड फॉर योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. यस पेरेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली. इफ समवन comes you and tell you that your papa told me to pick you up, what you have to do? उसके साथ चले जाना है? No. You have to tell him that okay, I will come with you, but first of all tell me the secret code which is fixed by my papa. जो मेरे पापा ने फिक्स किया है, एक कोड है, वो मुझे आप बता दो, क्योंकि मेरे पापा ने बोला है कि ये कोड अगर कोई आपको बताएगा तो ही आपको उसके साथ जाना है. ओके? यस पेरेंट्स, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. आपको आपके बच्चे को सिखाना है कि मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट कोड दे रहा हूँ और वो आपको याद रखना है. और इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम टू पिक यू अप, और मैं किसी और को भेज रहा हूँ आपको लेने के लिए, तो आपको पहले उस आदमी से सीक्रेट कोड मांगना है. एंड इफ़ दैट पर्सन इज़ नॉट एबल टू टेल यू द सीक्रेट कोड टू यू, सो आपको उसके साथ जाना नहीं है. दिस इज फॉर योर सेफ्टी ओनली. आपको उसको ये भी समझाना है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अ स्टोरी ऑफ लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड who also did not listen to her mama. So let's get started.
Once upon a time there lived a little girl. This girl wore a Red Riding Hood at all times. That's why everybody used to call her Little Red Riding Hood. Darling! Yes, Mommy? You know your grandmother is ill. Would you please take her the cookies I baked and the fresh herbs I picked from the woods? Of course, Mommy, I will. The Little Red Riding Hood as always started her journey to her grandmother's house. Do you not leave the road in the bunny forest, sweetheart? Said her mother as she was leaving. Little Red Riding Hood started walking in the forest while singing a song. I wonder why they calls it the bunny forest. I have not seen any bunnies along the way. Little Red Riding Hood came to a road filled with flowers. There were all kinds of colored flowers. I should pick some flowers for my grandmother. She will be very pleased. Well, Little Red Riding Hood was picking the flowers and she did not realize that वो रोड से अंदर फॉरेस्ट में चली गई है. And she heard a sound coming from the bushes. Suddenly, a big bad wolf came in front of her. और जैसे ही लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड ने अपने सामने वुल्फ को देखा, वो इतना डर गई कि उसके हाथ में जो बास्केट था वो गिर गया. The wolf jumped closer to her and collected the cookies she had dropped from the basket and gave them back to Little Red Riding Hood. उसने सारे कुकीज़ बास्केट में भर के लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड को दे दिया. एंड लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड वॉज शॉक्ड. ये तो बहुत अच्छा वुल्फ है, मैं इससे क्यों डर रही थी. एंड शी सेड थैंक यू टू वुल्फ. एंड देन वुल्फ आस्क्ड to Little Red Riding Hood.
Where are you going, little girl?
To my grandmother's house, the yellow house at the end of this forest. She is not feeling well, so I am bringing cookies for her.
Really?
By the way, you can call me Little Red Riding Hood like everybody call me.
I'll head on first to let your grandmother know that you are on your way, so that you can continue picking up your beautiful flowers, little girl.
Right at that moment, Wolf ने हंटर के गन की आवाज सुनी and he ran away as fast as he could. Little Red Riding Hood looked around for a moment and started crying, realizing that she was lost. Hearing her crying voice, the hunter came next to her.
What are you doing alone here, little girl? It's very dangerous. Around here, I'm looking for a big bad wolf, whom I have been hunting for a very long time.
Little Red Riding Hood was very ashamed because she had not listened to her mother and left the road in the bunny forest. So Little Red Riding Hood ने हंटर को नहीं बताया कि वो वुल्फ से मिली थी. Well, I was bringing cookies for my ill grandmother living at the end of the forest and I got lost.
Let me bring you to your grandma's house.
And then they started to walk together. And right then, the wolf took a shortcut and वो ग्रैंडमा के घर पे लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड से पहले पहुंच गया. He knocked the door and the grandmother called from inside, "Who is it?" The wolf changing his voice, "It's me, Grandma, Little Red Riding Hood. I brought cookies and fresh herbs for you." "The door is open, my darling. You can come in." The wolf opened the door and थोड़ी ही देर के बाद लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड एंड हंटर पहुंच गए ग्रैंडमदर के घर पे.
Go, little girl, go next to your grandma as soon as possible.
Yes. Hunter went back on his way. Little Red Riding Hood knocked on the door and her grandmother called from inside, "Who is it?" "It's me, Grandma, Little Red Riding Hood. The door is open, my darling. You can come in." लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड ने सोचा कि मैंने जो वॉइस सुनी वो मेरे ग्रैंडमदर की वॉइस जैसी नहीं है, थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. एंड देन शी रियलाइज दैट उसकी मम्मा ने बोला है कि उसकी ग्रैंडमदर इल है, इसीलिए उनकी वॉइस थोड़ी डिफरेंट लग रही है. एंड देन लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड ओपन द डोर एंड वेंट इन. द वुल्फ, dressed in grandmother's clothing with her nightcap and her glasses, was lying on the bed. और वुल्फ ने लाइट्स और विंडो दोनों बंद कर दिए थे बिकॉज रूम के अंदर, घर के अंदर अंधेरा हो जाए. एंड देन लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड डिड नॉट recognize him. And then Wolf said,
"Come next to me so I can give you a hug, Little Red Riding Hood."
Little Red Riding Hood laid the basket on the floor, but she did not go too close to the bed because her grandmother looked different. "Why are your arms so long, Grandma?"
"So that I can hug you better."
Why are your ears so big, Grandma?"
"So that I can hear you better."
But why are your eyes so huge, Grandma?"
"So that I can see you better."
Why are your teeth so sharp, Grandma?
So that I can eat you better. Ha ha ha.
The wolf jumped out of the bed and charged at the little Red Riding Hood. Then she realized that bed पे उसकी grandmother नहीं wolf था, and she started shouting, "Help! Help me! Help! Help me!" Hunter ने उसकी आवाज़ सुनी and he ran to the house and opened the door and caught the wolf immediately.
I finally got you, big bad wolf. Now you are in my hands.
Hunter cut the wolf's belly and rescued the grandmother. Thank you for saving us, Mr. Hunter.
You are welcome, but promise me that you will always listen to your mother.
And then, happily, grandmother and little Red Riding Hood ate all the cookies. The little Red Riding Hood walked through the forest once again, singing a song, and उसने वही wolf को देखा जो सबसे पहले उसने देखा था. But इस time वो wolf पूरे forest की cleaning कर रहा था, because वो hunter ने wolf को punishment दिया था कि उसको every day forest की सारी cleaning करनी पड़ेगी.
So children, you have already seen the story of Little Red Riding Hood, and you have also noticed that what had happened with her. So from this story, we all get a message that
We should always listen to our elders.
bye, take care, stay safe.